first problem is, if x plus y plus z equals to 0, then find the value of log base 3xyz to x cube plus y cube plus z cube. The condition in the problem is, if x plus y plus z equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. This is the formula. If x plus y plus z equals 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz, which is implies, now problem is, log base to 3xyz to x cube plus y cube plus z cube. Now instead of x cube plus y cube plus z cube, I can write 3xyz, because x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz when x plus y plus z equals to 0. So that implies log base 3xyz to 3xyz, which is equals to, these two are equals. So answer is 1 by the formula log base a to a equals to 1. Now this is the answer. Power of 3 minus log base 5 to 125. So before this, let me discuss a formula. If a to the power of m by a to the power of n, which is equals to a to the power of m minus n, if m is greater than n. If m is greater than n. Similarly, the problem is also in this format. So I can write the problem 5 to the power of 3 minus log base 5 to 125, which I could write using this formula. 5 cube is divided by 5 to the power of log base 5 to 125, which is equals to 5 cube is 125. It is like a to the power of log base a to x is equals to x itself, by the formula a to the power of log base a to x equals to x. Similarly, 5 to the power of log base 5 to 125. What is the answer? 125. Both will get cancelled. Answer is 1. So next question is, if log base 10 to x minus 1 equals to 3 of log base 10 to 2, then find the value of x. The given question is, log base 10 to 3x minus 1, which is equals to 3 of log base 10 to 2. So which is implies log base 10 to 3x minus 1, which is equals to log of base 10 to 2 to the power of 3, by the formula log base a to x to the power of n equals to n of log base a to x. Okay. Now both logarithms have same base, so I can compare their powers. So 3x minus 1 equals to 2 cube, which is equals to 3x minus 1 equals to 8, 2 cube equals to 8, which is implies 3x is equals to 1 plus 9, 1 plus 8 is 9, 3 1s are 3 3s are, so x equals to 3. So next question is, find the value of log base 10 to 2 plus log base 10 to 5. Very simple question. Okay, you know the formula log base a to x into y can be write log base a to x plus log base a to y. So using this formula I will write log of base 10 to 2 plus log base 10 to 5 equals to log base 10 to 2 into 5, which is equals to log base 10 to 2 5 is a 10. So log base a to a equals to 1. Since okay, so guys, look at the next question is find the value of log base 8 to 2 into log base 3 to 27. So I need to simplify this value. Okay, log of 8 I can write 2 cube of 2 into log base 3 to 27 I can write 3 cube, which is implies 1 by third of log base 2 to into 3 into log base 3 to 3. So I use the previous formulas. 1 by 3 of log base 2 to 3 is how much? 1 into 3 of log base 3 to 3 is how much? 1, which is equals to 1 by 3 into 3. 3 cancel, answer is 1. Okay. So next question is, given log base 10 to 2 equals to 0.3010, then find the value of log base 10 to 32. Log base 10 to 32, which I can write log base 10 to 32 can be prime factorized raised to the power of 5. Okay, this 5 of log base 10 to 2 by the formula log base a to x to the power of n equals to n of log base a to x. Okay, 5 into what is the value of log base 10 to 2 given? 0.3010. Okay, 1 is 0, that implies 1.505 is the answer. Find the value of log base root 2 to 256. So very simple question. Okay, here you need to evaluate the value of log base root 2 to 256. Okay, here log root 2 to the power of 1 by 2 I can write 2 to 256 I can write 2 to the power of 5, no, 2 to the power of 8 it is, 2 to the power of 8. You can take the prime factorization of 256. Okay, then 256 can be write 2 to the power of 8. Now using the formulas, if log base a to the power of n to x equals to 1 by n of log base a to x. One more formula, log base a to x to the power of n equals to n of log base a to x. Using these two formulae, I will write 8 into 1 by 2 of log base 2 to 2. Yes, this 2 to the power of 1 by 2 can be write how? 1 by 2 of n. N means how much here? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 1 by 1 by 2. So I can write 8 into 2. What is the value of this? 1. Since log base a to a equals to 1. So 8 to the 16 is the answer. The next question is log base 3 to 81 rational or irrational number? Justify your answer. So very simplest question this is. Log base 3 to 81 rational or irrational? Let us assume log base 3 to 81 equals to x. Okay. Now let me write in the form of exponential. You see, if a to the power of x equals to n, then that implies log of base a to n equals to x. Okay, exponential to log. So writing like this, 3 to the power of x is equals to 81. This is okay. So what does it meaning of this? For what value of x 3 becomes 81? For what value of x? For what value of x 3 becomes 81? Tell me. If x equals to 4, then 3 to the power of x equals to 81. Therefore, log base 3 to 81 is, or which is belongs to a rational number. Problem is, if log base 10 to x equals to a, log base 10 to y equals to b, and log base 10 to z equals to 3a minus 2b, then express z in terms of x and y. So what is a equals to log base 10 to x? What is the b value? Log base 10 to y, and 3a minus 2b equals to log base 10 to z. So let me take log base 10 to z equals to 3a minus 2b log base 10 to z equals to 3 of, what is the a value? Log base 10 to x minus 2 of, what is the b value? Log base 10 to y. So which is implies log base 10 to z equals to log base 10 to x cube minus log base 10 to y square by the formula log base a to x to the power of n equals to n of log base a to x. Okay, which is implies log base 10 to z equals to log of base 10 to x cube by y square by the formula of log base a to x minus log base a to y equals to log base a to x by y. So both are same logarithms, or the common logarithm is the base 10, that imply that it equals to z equals to x cube by y square. This is the answer. Okay. The question is log base 10 to 162 by 343 plus 2 of log base 10 to 7 by 9 minus of log base 10 to 1 by 7 equals to log base 10 to 2. That is we need to show. Let me take the LHS. log 162 by 343 plus 2 of log base let's log base 10 only, 7 by 9 minus log 1 by 7. So let me split this is which is implies log 162 minus log 343 2 of log 7 minus log 9 minus of log 1 minus log 7. So these all are by the formula of, what is the formula I taken here? Log base a to x by y I can write log base a to x minus log base a to y. Okay. Next, factorize the 162 and 349. Okay. If you factorize 162, I can write as 2 into 9 square, whereas 343 I can write it is 7 cube plus 2 log 7 minus 2 log 9 minus log 1 minus into minus plus log 7. Okay. Again splitting furtherly, log 2 plus log of 9 square minus 3 of log base 10 to 7 plus 2 log 7 minus 2 log 9. What is the value of this? 0. Okay, log base a to 1 is always 0, so minus 0. So plus, if you want I can write minus 0 plus log 7. So what is the complete value? Which is log 7 plus log 7, which is implies log 2 plus 2 of log base 10 to 9 minus 3 of log base 10 to 7 plus 2 of log base 10 to 7 minus 2 of log base 10 to 9 plus log base 10 to 7. Either this or this I written by the formula of log base a to x to the power of n equals to n of log base a to x. Okay. See, plus 2 log 9 minus 2 log 9 cancel. So furtherly, log 2 minus 3 log 7 plus 2 log 7 plus 2 plus log 7 plus 3 log 7. So I will cancel this 2 again. So what is the answer? Which is equals to log 2, which is equals to RHS. This is the answer.